Let me take this opportunity to clear some of the perception which had been moving around in the party. That National Chairperson Morgan Komichi was solely behind the imposition of candidates in 2018. Morgan Komichi preferred certain candidates for the elections in 2018. I am sorry, this is not true. I actually suffered as a result of that. I stood and fought for you when you didn't know. There are certain members of parliament who can witness for me, other candidates that can actually divulge for me. I always stood for fairness and justice and freedom. I've always wanted people to choose their own candidate. But things beyond me, I was not the ultimate in the process. There was authority somewhere where decisions were being made without me consulted. I was not part of that at all. That is why today I've stood up against that process, that system, because I am sick and tired of a system that does not respect other people. So really, let me take this day. But I also want to take responsibility as a leader, that I was part and parcel of the leadership then. And I was the national chairperson leadership then. Probably I could have done better to save you. Probably I could have done better to make you feel comfortable. On that point, I want to apologize. I am sorry. Please forgive me.